This is ATG squats. Ass to grass, ass to calves, below parallel. Few things with squats. You can go right at parallel or go all the way to the bottom. There goes back and forth between which one's better. Just do whichever one that you can actually lift the heaviest in. Just don't bounce at the bottom. That's the problem with going all the way down to ass to calf, because you are resting and you have to come back up. I'd rather you keep constant tension and just go a little bit below parallel. So here's what you do. You get the bar. I don't care if you go high bar on your traps, but not your neck. High bar or low bar. I'm going to just go high bar. Toes slightly open to match your knees, because I don't want you straight ahead. I want you to open your femurs out so you can get the butt that you want. If you were looking at me from the side, I want this bar path to be straight. So you're going here and up. See how it was straight? Right? So if you go all the way down, if you go to here, you got to make sure you keep your knees open. Right? Here's what you don't want. Here's what you don't want. You do not want this. You don't want your knees to go in like this. If you're doing that, it's too heavy. Go down and up. Don't look up either. Keep your head neutral. Here and up. The modified version is the Smith machine, and the last resort is the leg press.